Hello everybody, quick update on the market. Why is the market crashing? Why the market is in red? So guys, in the last video we were talking about the total market cap. Okay, I was telling everyone to take profits off the table. I took Ethereum I sold Ethereum at 3009. Please check out that video. Okay, I sold Ethereum at 3009. Yep, true enough, it made a U-turn. Okay, and what else? I was selling Bitcoin. Okay, I was selling Bitcoin since 60,000, 64, 60,000, around this zone. So please check out the previous video on my exit on Bitcoin and also on the exit on Ethereum. Now in today's video, let's talk about why the market is crashing. So first thing first, let's start with weekly time frame. Okay, let's start with weekly time frame. As you can see, the price of the total market cap has broke the last zone, okay, and it's free falling towards the upside. Now let's zoom into the daily zones. Okay, let's refine our analysis. So in the previous video, please go check it out, I'll drop the link. I was talking about where I would be selling everything. So there were two daily zones. Okay, there were two daily zones that I mark. Take note, orange box is the daily zones. So guys, if you do not know what do I mean by zones, if you do not know how do I mark my zones, please go back to the first video. Okay, I will drop the link in the description below. Please go and understand how do I mark the zones. So marking the zones starting from the higher time frame is the most important part of technical analysis above everything else. And how do we mark the zones? We use line chart. Okay, we do not use candlesticks. Candlesticks are too noisy. Look at the wicks, look at the shadows. It's too noisy. So we use line charts. Okay, now back to the charts, back to total market cap. So in the last video, I clearly mentioned that we will be exiting everything when the market hits here. FYI, I have exited 90%. Okay, I repeat, I have exited 90% of my holdings since the pump. I have been talking about this, I think about 2 months back. Okay, I have been clearing my position, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's Ethereum and other altcoins. So why did the market make a drop? Why did crypto drop recently? Here is why. Now look at this. Let's go back, let's look to the left. Okay, look at the total market cap. See these two zones, zone 1 and zone 2. So what happened is market, the price of the total market cap went all the way up and make a U-turn at these zones. That's why zones are very, very important. Always understand this. Price moves from one zone to another, and when it fails, okay, so as you can see, the price fell to break this zone, to move to the last zone. When the price fails, it will make a U-turn. All right, a U-turn to where? A U-turn to the zone below, which in this case is the weekly zone. You guys seeing it or not? Okay, which in this case, it's the weekly zone. So if this weekly zone holds, okay, we might see a last push or a last leg up to the upside, which confluence with my final target at $2.79 trillion. But, okay, there's a but. But if the price breaks, okay, in the weekly time frame, what do we see? We will see another drop towards 1.7 trillion. So how much will be Bitcoin by then? How much will be Bitcoin by then? In the event if the total market cap breaks 2.2 trillion, okay, sorry, 2.1 trillion and heads towards 1.6 trillion, Bitcoin, so let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin will most probably, okay, will most probably head to 50,000. And this looks like a kind of weak support for Bitcoin. Okay. So 50,000. And if 50,000 break, we will see 35,000. So guys, as always, I kept on reminding, take your profit during the pump. Stay safe during the pump. Be fearful when others are greedy. Okay, so this should be my update for today. Basically on the market, on the total market cap, and also Bitcoin. So let's recap. There are two scenarios. Bitcoin will, the first scenario, Bitcoin will bounce, make another last leg up, or Bitcoin will break. So this is a very important support, which is the 60,000 zone, okay, and head towards the 50,000 or even lower, which is the 35,000. Okay, I'm not buying the dips, okay? FYI, I am not buying the dips. I'm only looking to sell if there is a pullback. So that's it for the update. And as always, stay safe during the pump, stay safe during the dip, and till next time.